Guys, welcome to a midweek bonus edition here at Barlows Baits. I am Mike Muller. Welcome. I hope everybody's having an unbelievable 4th of July week. Hopefully you took the whole week off and are just getting at it, doing a lot of fishing, doing a lot of barbecuing, doing a lot of campfires. Guys, what are we doing today in today's show? Guys, I'm not going to lie to you. I've made a couple versions of PERCH off camera, just with different orders and whatnot. And I think I have got the absolute winner of a PERCH recipe. Today we're going to be shooting it in the 5.5 inch or the 5-inch winged fluke minnow from KDM, and I am getting the epicbaitmolds drop shot leech out once again, just because I had one of those moments out in the water where it was catching like crazy. We're going to be shooting that. Guys, it's an interesting road to get to this PERCH color, but guys, I'll leave the recipe down in the description. You're going to want this one. I think it is absolutely fantastic. That's just me in my personal palette, my soft plastic bait making palette. I really, really like this one, and I think you guys are too. So let's get that bait build cam coming at you. Let's get this show started off. And guys, have a great 4th of July weekend. And again, be safe out there. Let's get the bait build cam coming at you. Okay, gang, we are buzzing. We have got, I mean, this is a heaping cup. I bet you there's 10 ounces in there. Right out of the microwave, no vac chamber. Let's get that top color build in this PERCH recipe. And guys, again, at the top of the show, I did say this thing is awesome. We're going ultra transparent black from Barlows. What are we doing? We are doing 12 drops. Yeah, that's right. So we're kind of in that smoke zone. I think that should be it. I mean, this color all by itself does not look, I mean, you're just going to be going, what? This makes PERCH? But just the magic happens when they're laminated together. Okay, there you go. Smoke. Not much happening there. Now, the key players in this, guys, we are going to load this up with gold flake. I got 0.35 from Barlows. We are doing 2 dashes. We are not going to be shy here. 2 heaping dashes. Not done yet. Let's get the next player that kind of makes this. We're going bait plastics. We got that 0.040 emerald green. This stuff is really loud, and I really, really like this. Same thing. 2 heaping dashes. We are not skimping on flake here. Okay, and last but not least, I did go into the pantry, and we are putting in, just for a little bit, we're going to just put some green rupees in there, just for fun. It's the 4th of July. Might as well throw some fireworks into the bait build as well. We're doing just a pinch of those, a heaping pinch. I think there's nothing wrong with that call. Well, let's get this stirred in. And I think you guys are going to see this kind of taking shape. Again, it's pretty flake driven, this top color. So basically we got smoke just with all that flake. And guys, just hold the phone. Let me get you guys up in here. Oh, that's hot. Again, smoke, right? Smoke, but just with all that flake. And then, so the bottom is a little bit more complicated. Speaking of that, let's move on to the bottom. There's the top. The bottom gets fun. And the bottom is a little bit interesting just because I don't really have the exact stuff to make a good PERCH bottom. And we're going to tweak it to get there. What we are using, and this is a very, very thick pigment. This is that Lure Works Orange Pumpkin. We are going to put in, we're going to go 10 drops. And then we're going to add some other stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's 10. I'm going to get that stirred in. This is thick. That was just 10 drops. Yeah, that's pretty, that's orange. Trust me, guys, Just trust me on this one. Okay, so, and I'm going to take a little bit of that pizzazz off of that by adding some white, but just not yet. The next ingredient that we are going to add, we are going to be putting in a little bit of sweet honey, just to kind of take the edge off of that, that orange, because it's a little bit loud. We're going 4 drops. 4 drops of sweet honey. There we go. Let's get that stirred in for you guys. Gonna take the edge off. Little edge taken off. Did you guys see that? How it just kind of dulled it a little bit. It's not as noisy. Yeah, it's not as noisy. And now for the last little bit, to really take that edge off, we are going to add, and now guys, white is extremely powerful. We're gonna add 2 drops of white. That's it. I shook that pretty well. Just 2. This is really gonna take the edge off. De-edger, speaking of de-edger, 4th of July weekend. Bloody Marys, woo. There we go. Oh, you guys see that transformation? Now we're getting somewheres, right? Now we are getting somewheres. Okay, now the fun part. Now we just load up on flake once again. Now I am using small, this is extra fine gold, and that's a Hobby Lobby. A dash goes a long way in this, a heaping dash right there. And then again, so instead of green, I've got that tiny, tiny orange from Barlow's tackle. Again, we're gonna do a dash of that. Heaping. Oh man, this is where this color comes to life. And of course, when we laminate these together, it gets really spicy. Okay, and again, fireworks. How about some gold rupees coming at you? Let's do we do a dash of those too? Yeah, why not? Yeah, let's do a dash of the rupes. Okay, this is gonna wrap. Wait till you guys see this. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but I think it looks pretty good. Come on, get in there, fellas. Got a lot of stuff over on the side. Sorry about my hand there. Look at that. A lot of glitter in there, I know. A lot of glitter in there. With all that glitter, as I can pull it up, you guys see how it's kind of got a little bit of a yellowish. That's kind of what we're looking for. And then when we pair these up together with that top, oh guys, it's gonna be electric. Okay, let's get the cam back up and let's shoot these bad boys. Okay, gang, so we got the big Kirby mold shot already. I did that off camera. Now we are gonna do a smaller mold, and we're doing that drop shot leech. Again, God, I had one of those days out on the water, guys, where I don't know if it was the bait, the color, what, it was just happening. I think it was a combination of all of them. But I wanted to show you guys kind of the difference in a bigger profile bait and a smaller profile bait, what this color combination kind of looks like. This is a thinner bait. Anyway, after I purge out this injector, I'm gonna show you guys this because I really wanna show you guys this top color. And I don't do this a lot, but I just wanna show you guys kind of what this top color looks like all by itself. And then, oh God, I'm just looking at that purge pile. Guys, it's delicious. Let me purge this out. And I just want to show you guys this top color. This basically smoke color with glitter. Guys, look at that. I mean, there's barely any black in there. What did we do, 12? And then that bottom. And then when these two guys combine together, I mean, it's not magical, but I really think it's a great color. Let me do one more thing. I want to show you guys this blending block here. I'm just going to take out the two sprues, if you will, and just show you guys like what that looks like plain. That's how you get that kind of perchy looking top color. It's the flake, right? Again, I don't need to show, I'm gonna show you the bottom. Right there, boom. Get a little preview right there. Voila, perch magic. I don't know if that sounds like a good name for this. Okay, enough. Let's let it cool down, and we got a demolding here coming up. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, we got molds that are cooled down. We are gonna do this one second. We're gonna get the big boy out here. I told you guys we got the 5-inch wing minnow from Kirby Design. This is a Mambo Jumbo mold. Guys, if you need any of these, get a hold of me. These things are fishing unbelievable right now. The water temp in Minnesota is finally getting up there where the bass are, their attitudes are actually pretty good. How are they coming out? It's always a mystery. Come on, guys. Okay, so we're gonna get you guys in. Oh my gosh, you guys, on this bottom color. And then we are gonna, there is the bottom color of our perch. Now, gotta go a mile back when I'm demolding this thing. Hold on, this is where the magic happens right here. I'm gonna bring these into you guys. Now, is that not a realistic looking perch? I mean, guys, this is the best I've got in perch. I can't do any better than that. That is about, no, maybe I'm being, I hate talking like that, but I think it's an outstanding perch recipe. And guys, I'm telling you, let me take one off. I'm gonna snip one off nice, right? God, that's just awesome. That top color blows me away. It's smoke, but then when you pair these together, it actually, I mean, it looks, this is a really, really close perch replica. Look at this. If you guys are looking for some wing minnow, guys, I'll leave my address down below. I've actually been doing a couple orders, which I like. That's a great way to support the channel. Every penny that I put back in goes into wacky molds that I'm getting, and you guys know I like getting the wacky molds. There is that right there. Now, okay, just keep this picture in your brain right there. Okay, now we're gonna unveil a much smaller bait, and you are gonna be, I think, not blown away, but yeah, okay. So I showed you guys the belly color on that wing minnow. Here's the belly color here. You guys notice the difference? Saturation level, quite different. Now, or no, that's actually the top, you guys. I'll show you guys. That was actually the top. That was the green. I'm sorry, I was backwards there. Let's peel the old onion back on the drop shot shad, one of my new favorite baits. Now, this is absolutely astonishing. I'm telling you guys, this bait and how it laminates, you can barely see it, right? You can barely see this. This bait is absolutely deadly. There is that top color. There is that bottom color. Guys, I don't care what bait it is, right? This thing flat out catches. It's absolutely, and that's in that medium plastic. God, I mean, let me take one off. This thing laminates so well, and it's hard to showcase on this one with my big fat fingers, but top, bottom, laminate. I mean, that is awesome. Okay, you guys, wow. Yep, fireworks on the show today. I love that recipe, guys. Again, I will leave that down in the description below. Exactly what I put in, and again, it wasn't 8 ounces. It was maybe 10 ounces. I mean, that Pyrex cup that I had, it wasn't overflowing, but it's for sure 10 ounces. I'll leave all that stuff down in the description. Let's get you guys to the outro and get out of here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you. Guys, that wraps up another midweek, 4th of July, Wednesday bonus edition at Bar Down Baits. Guys, I'm telling you what, now, did I have the exact right colors to make a perch replicating bait? No, not really, but we got creative and we got that orange pumpkin out and we got the sweet honey out and we added some white and the major players here, guys, look at this. The flake really drives it home. That top color. Now, guys, did I get excited about this? Yeah, I really think this is an unbelievable perch replicating bait, and that top color is smoke. And you've got that gold and green flake in it. And I just think that turned out real well. These guys, these winged minnows right here, this 5-inch, kind of that Sakamata shad replica. Oh, are they fishing well right now? They are fishing well. You guys need any orders? Get a hold of yours truly. I'll set you up. Here we go right here. Guys, this might be my new favorite bait. I am not kidding. You guys know what I'm talking about when you go out on the water and you got a new bait and you just have that aha moment. Every fish in the lake is biting it. I mean, I had that experience with this epic leech, and I think in this pattern, I mean, that's oh God, that's nice. Oofda. That is a good one. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to show off that that laminate in this one. Again, that top color, you guys, so surprising when you combine those, right? That's that top color. There's nothing to it. 12 drops of black and that glitter. But when you combine those two, guys, oh my Lord. Guys, that's it. We're gonna get out of here, get out on the lake, get the barbecue going, head to the liquor store before all the beer's gone. Guys, stay safe, really. It's gonna get nuts out there. I know there's a ton of people up. Be safe, be smart, be respectful. Sorry, am I talking like a mom? Excuse me. You know what I'm saying. Enjoy yourself, but be smart. Guys, that's it for now. This is Mike Muller with Bar Down Baits. Thanks to everybody here, all the players, KDM, Epic, Barlows. We had a bunch of good players in this Wednesday midweek bonus edition, 4th of July style. It was a good one. Guys, that's it for now. This is Mike Muller with Bar Down Baits. Signing off. Stay safe. Stay solid. Have a great 4th. We'll see you on Monday. Peace.